Fy enw I Beth a dwi'n chwaraeo'r golff o Gymru. Yr haf yma, mae'r AIG Women's Open yn dod I Royal Porthcawl. In the build-up to the AIG Women's Open, which takes place at Royal Porthcawl this summer, I've been travelling around some of the best golf courses that Wales has to offer. 2025 is the first year the AIG Women's Open will be held in Wales, and it's also the biggest women's sporting event to ever be played in Wales. The AIG Women's Open is going to be held at Royal Porthcawl, which is the #1 golf course in Wales, and it's only half an hour from the capital city, Caredig. And Cardiff has some amazing amenities to offer for people who will be touring down and visiting the AIG Women's Open. Just another half an hour outside of Cardiff, you've got Newport, and that is host to Wales' largest golf resort, the Celtic Manor. It is absolutely incredible, and they built a golf course specifically for the Ryder Cup, which is called the 2010. Further along down the coast, more west, you have Nghymru Golf Course, which, yes, is pronounced Nghymru. It is a beautiful golf course and is the only Nicholas Championship designed course in Wales. It's also got amazing scenery and some beautiful wildlife, so definitely check it out if you're down in South Wales. Taking a trip up towards North Wales, you've got some more incredible golf courses. The ones I would recommend for you to check out are Hawlfraint and Aberdyfi. Hawlfraint is another very famous, renowned golf course in Wales, simply because of the castle backdrop behind it, which is Hawlfraint Castle. It is also only a short drive away from the famous Portmeirion resort. And of course, it being in North Wales, you're never too far from some amazing places to take a nice walk and to look at some fabulous mountains. Moving on down from Hawlfraint to Aberdyfi, one of Wales's oldest golf courses, and it is a true links golf course. You definitely have to check it out. The course is fantastic. O Hawlfraint I Newport a Nghymru, mae gan Gymru gymaint I chymig am y byd golff.